This is Dr. Quarter Fix. Today we have a 2009 Toyota Corolla which the customer brought to our garage. I showed a video previously concerning the noise, and the noise was actually coming from a compressor that was fitted into it that was not that wasn't a fit for this very car. Put it back on again. Shut the engine down finally. Thank you. So what we've succeeded in doing this very moment here is getting the system back to OEM factory specifications. So I'm gonna flip the video over and show you the system is working as it should, and it comes with a standard warranty of 1 month to the customer. That is by default. Any car which we got the AC system back working, we replace the compressor, have a 1 month warranty. Suppose anything happens within the month, he or she should bring the car back, and we're gonna sort it out without any extra charges. So let me go ahead and put the camera and let's take a look. So here you can see on the suction side it's really sweating really hard. That's to show that the system is working as it should, and that's the compressor there, which is the OEM fit. And it was a lot because the pipe has been welded through different places, but we are very happy to get this back working to manufacturer specification, and that is actually what we do when you are trying to get your car AC back working to factory. That is what we specialize in doing. We are in Nigeria, and you can reach us at any time. We'll hope to see you some other time. Bye for now. In a higher prior to that very noise which you guys are hearing on that AC compressor, which I showed in the video before, I know definitely the compressor has internal wreckage, so I'm going to be tearing the compressor a little bit apart so I can see, because I've heard that kind of noise before, that very ugly rattling noise. So I am definitely sure it's either the piston is broke or the valve plate is damaged. Either way, if the piston is broken, then it means that's a dead zone, because you can't pull out a piston from a working one to fix this one. However, if it is a plate, then that's a Christmas. So let me go ahead and flip the camera. So in order to lose it fast, I have pen over here which I use to lose it out and get this thing out. Now here we go. So you can see it right there. This valve plate, if you look at it, this valve plate here is broken. This one here is inflated up. This one is also broken. So that's a Christmas. And we can see some of the filing particles, some of the broken particles somewhere around here. Now, replacing it without knowing exactly why it broke is not gonna make any sense. That's gonna be like making the problem to go away. Find that small distance, bring her come, dig around there. So I'm gonna be hitting this one off so we take a look at it. Thank you. Okay, and to do that, just need to tap the valve just a little bit from here. Okay, it has a notch somewhere here, so you can use a flat screwdriver to apply it there. Just a moment. Okay, so the notch is somewhere here. Let me get it out then. Okay, let's look at it. I've pulled it out here. So this valve is still the The control valve is still good, but this very valve is damaged. You can see it here. There are broken pieces. Now let's take a look at it. The broken pieces are all inside there. So that's a good news, guys, because I'm gonna be reviving this very compressor back. This is just a minor thing to replace and get this very compressor back. So that's a happy Christmas. You can see it. You can see it. So if I pour out some of the oil right now, like I dip hand inside here, I'm gonna show you the particles. And that is what is clapping inside that is making it to make a rattling noise. So ordinarily I know that this compressor is a die-hard, it hardly fails, but something made it to actually make this mess. Maybe insufficient oil. Let me try to grab this and see if I can pull that stuff out. Okay, another way I'm gonna use to pull it out, I'm gonna rotate the compressor shaft. Let me pour out the oil first. Let me pour the oil down. Okay, I'm gonna rotate the shaft. If you guys can see it there. You rotate the shaft, you can see it. That's it right there. It looks like a spade. So this one is ripped from here. See it. Now this other one, so I need to find it. I need to find it because if it's still inside, it's gonna cause more damage. But thank God the cylinders are still in great condition. So I'm gonna rebuild this compressor back. Now I'm seeing some particles here. Look at it underneath this plate right here. So I want to remove this. Look at it there, right there, small. So I think I can actually say that what causes this is due to dirt and moisture. There's a lot of moisture here which is turning the oil into rust. Look at it. Look at the chip there. Look at it. Hope you guys can see. Look at it here. So guys, do give this video a thumbs up. Share it with some other of your friends who may have a rattling noise problem. Now you have known how to solve it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my backup channel too. Bye for now.